Whoa, hello. Okay, so we have Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do the unboxing for September. That's right, I'm excited. Today is going to be like Christmas in a box, as you can see, and without further ado, let's get right into it. And so we're just going to open her right up. Boom, there we go. We have the sustainable packaging to secure everything. There we go. It's from Paper Plus. Kind of hard to read right there, but that's what it is. There we go. Got the order. We have some awesome packaging here. I did get some items that I was looking for and needing, but we're going to start with the Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is the vegan version or plant-based option for you. And then when I open it up here, we got the trio, 3 amigos. First is the Microplex VMZ, which helps fill in the gap from the standard American diet, from what you don't get from the foods you eat, even if you eat healthy. Our soils are so depleted, and so it's so important to get vitamins, minerals, and a plant-based source that are absorbable. And you can see here how that is the case. There's a little bit of glare, but as I scroll here, there's vitamins, minerals. You also have a proprietary whole food blend right there. There you go. And then you also have active enzyme blend to support your digestion, and then the tummy tamer blend to support digestion as well. So this is an important part of a daily regimen, 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and that's going to help you out. Next is the VE Omega. This is omegas 3, 6, and 9 to support your brain, joint, and muscle health. And then as you can see here, you have some ingredients that are going to do and support all that. You got a little bit of vitamins. You have the vegetarian omega blends. Then you have the CPTG essential oil blend with 9 essential oils. 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon are what I recommend, and that's what I do as well. Put that off to the side. And then lastly, we have the Alpha CRS Plus, and this is energy in a bottle without caffeine, without sugar. And then it has the cellular longevity blend with botanicals and plant-based extracts, the cellular energy blend, and then the doTERRA tummy tamer blend. So all these supplements are going to give you basically a natural cellular form of energy. They're going to support your digestion, support your immune system, support just really vitality. That's what's, in the product name. Vitality or life, cellular life, which is important. Speaking of supporting life from within, you can show your support for an incarcerated loved one with clothing, accessories, household goods, and stationery that fits any budget. You can learn more by visiting Their Voice LLC through the link in the description area below. Next, I'm going to show you what I got, which is the fractionated coconut oils. I use these after I shower and in the morning to moisturize my skin, reduce the chance of irritation from essential oils that I put on my face to basically promote a more clear and vibrant skin complexion. And then there's no smell to these, non-greasy. So I really love using this. If you can use organic and raw coconut oil, Costco. I use that in cooking, and when I'm out of this fractionated coconut oil, which basically just means it's liquid at room temperature and it's just for topical use. I use this primarily because I like the way it feels. It feels really great going on your skin, and it's a really great moisturizer. One ingredient, it's just coconut oil. That's what I love this. And when I get them so that I have backups of everything. So that's why there's 4 of them here. Plus, I like to use points now and then, so that is that. Next, we have the enzymes, which they're doing a limit 1 quantity due to a little shortage. And so I'm kind of sad because I normally get 2 of these. But this is going to support your digestive health. You only have a certain amount of enzymes in your body that it can produce to help break down foods, so it's important to supplement any cooked foods specifically. So the rule of thumb is you take 1 if your meal is 1/3 cooked. You take 2 of these capsules if your meal is 2/3 cooked, and if your meal is completely cooked, you want to take 3 of these, ideally 30 minutes before you eat, so it lays a bed of enzymes on the bottom of your stomach, and then you eat those foods, and then there you go, this helps break things down. And specifically, there's enzymes for breaking down fats, sugars, carbs, proteins, and fibers. And so you have all of that right here. And then there's also the tummy tamer blend to support your digestion. So it's all around great supplement to use in addition to the Lifelong Vitality Pack. Next, we're going to open up the sustainable packaging. Look at that, it's kind of cool. Like little honeycombs, paper honeycombs. Oh yeah, okay. That's why it's like Christmas in a box, because you bought it, but sometimes it's hard to remember what you got until you get it, and you're like, oh yeah, that. Whoa, hello. Okay, so we have lime, because I was wanting to make sure I have enough citrus oils. I bought a number of them last month, and then I made sure to adjust my order in my cart in my back office to make sure my next month looks good. And I'll adjust it again, because I kind of like do inventory. I look at, you know, everything I have, everything I've used, everything I need, and then I update my order probably 2 or 3 times in the month before it ships out for the next month. But lime is great for detox. I use it with lemon in a glass bottle, old kombucha bottle that I've already drank the contents out of. And you want to make sure to use glass, stainless steel, or ceramics when taking doTERRA citrus oils internally. And then if you go out in the sun, because you've applied these topically, you just want to make sure you use proper sun protection and not go out immediately. You're not supposed to be, you know, sunbathing and then put citrus oils. These can cause photosensitivity, so you just want to make sure, again, use sun protection and don't go immediately out there with citrus oils on your face, and stay out for more than 15 minutes. So definitely keep those in mind, because I know some of the doubters and the haters out there like to be like, you can't take these internally. You know, it's like, hey, calm down, calm down. There's a lot of research and fact-based information out there for you to learn if you're open to the truth, right? There you go. Well, there's lime. Again, I love it for uplifting, detox, flavoring my waters, and I use the combination of reverse osmosis water, apple cider vinegar that's organic and raw. I use some trace minerals that are plant-based from fulvic and humic acid, and then I use 1 drop of lime, typically 1 drop of lemon, in that glass old kombucha bottle. So, and GT's is the best. So it's worth the $3 to $4 that it costs per bottle, because they're really a premium kombucha bottle. So definitely want to get some of that. And then we have white grapefruit. That is right. That is the product of the month for any 125 point order, which is roughly $1 per point, so roughly 125 bucks. And we're going to open this up and smell it. I'm guessing it smells like grapefruit, but it's white grapefruit, so let's see. Here we go. I'm going to give you some. You got it? All right, now let's try. Smells like, well, grapefruit. So I can't wait to use this. And you can tell you can take it internally with doTERRA, because there is a supplement facts. That's right. And if you keep scrolling down, it gives you the quantity that you can take and how to use it. So a little suggestion down there, which says specifically for internal use, dilute 1 drop in 4 fluid ounces of liquid. And that's the rule of thumb when taking doTERRA oils that have supplement facts on them internally for your health priority. So find out what the health priority is first, then figure out if it's internal, you know, external, which is topically or aromatic, and then the quantity to use, and then the frequency. So typically, in general, morning and night for, you know, 1 or 2 drops. And that's going to be the general use, but again, you can look on the bottles, or you can watch some of my other videos, or look in the Modern Essentials book, which is a great resource for all types of ways to use the oils and get fact-based information on their benefits as well. And then when you look on the bottom, you can go source2u.com and check out the batch number, so you can look up the GCMS test results. So you can see how the oils are doing with regards to the quality standards, the high quality standards that doTERRA has. And then when you're done with all that, that's right, I do want to continue to plug the Netflix documentary, which I'll have down here, which talks about essential oils. Where are my fingers at? There you go, right there, right there. And I also have a link in the description below. Make sure to watch that. I just encourage people to watch it with an open mind, because it does cover the anti-MLM or anti-essential oil side, as well as the pro-MLM and pro-essential oil side of things, which I'm a fan of looking at both sides, or all sides of things, because that way you get more perspective, and then you can come to your own conclusion whether you like or dislike or agree or disagree with something. And it's important to, you know, stimulate dialogue and have discussions about things, and most importantly, in a respectful manner. So with that being said, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, check out the other links in the description below. Make sure to watch that documentary or the video episode 1. And then if you've already watched it, let me know what you thought about it. Maybe what you liked or what you didn't like, what you agreed, what you disagreed with in the comment section below. And then have a great day. And I'll see you in the next video.